Now let's look at how to solve a question 2. For question 2, you are supposed to find the shortest distance traveled by the competitor, and you have to pass through any number of the checkpoints. In this case, it means any number. That means you don't have to go through all of the checkpoint, and you must start from the starting point and the finishing point. So the question wants you to state the checkpoints passed and also the relevant distance traveled. So what we are going to do is to look at all the possibilities of the route involved and then systematically find the one which is the shortest. So from start to checkpoint 1, you have only one route, so 14 is the smallest. Now let's look at from start to go to the 6th checkpoint. You have two routes, 24 or 27. So in this case, I'm going to use the 24. Now then from start to go to 8, either you go 12 or 39. I'm going to use the 12 here because that is the shortest. So from here, start to 9 checkpoint. Either you go this route, which is 39, or this, which is basically 54, or you have 27 here. This is 27. So definitely this 27 is the smallest here. Okay, then we proceed on to look at all the possibility. 14 plus 10 here is 24. 24 plus 12 here, my possibility is 36. Right, 24 plus 11, you have only one choice, which is 35. Right, 35 plus 14 is 49. So for this part, checkpoint 3, we would go for the shortest one, which is 36. So this one here is 36. 36 plus 40, it becomes 76. 76 plus 18, it will be 70, 80, 94. So for this part here is 94. Let's look at other alternatives. 27 plus 17, 20, 30, 40, 44 here. And then here 44 plus 20 is basically 64. We'll look at other possibility. Up to here is 35. 35 plus 10 is 45. 45 plus 7, 60, 62. So which one would you choose? I'll choose 62. 62 plus 10, it will be 72. 72 plus 14, it will be 86. 86 plus 21, it will be 107 up to here. 94 plus 14, it will be 108. So which one would we choose for checkpoint 15? We will go for 107. So 107 plus 42, it will be 149. So in this case, the shortest distance traveled by the competitor for A, the answer will be from start. Then I go through, let's backtrace. We'll start with 149, and then 107 comes from this route here. And then 86 comes from here, 72 comes from here, 62 comes from here, right? And then 45 comes from here, 35 comes from here, 24 comes from here. So the shortest route is from start, then we go to 6, go to 7, go to 10, we go to 12, and then we go to checkpoint 13, 14, after that we go to 15, and then we go to 16, and the last one then it will be finished. Okay, so what is the distance travel? So for this one, the distance travel here, it will be 149 kilometer. As for B, if the checkpoint must pass through checkpoint 8, what is the shortest distance from start to finish? So for this one, I'm going to use a different color to symbolize the alternative route here. Now in this case, I must pass through checkpoint 8. So for checkpoint 8 here, I must go through checkpoint 8. Let's look at the alternative here. Right, so from here, let's say I go through here, and from here it's already 27. Right, when it comes to here, it's 44, here it's 62. Right, so if you look at the route involved, I can still use the C point here, but what is the extra if you compare? If you compare that the two value here, you have 64 and 62, so that means the extra will be 2. So the distance for this, the extra will be another 2 more, which becomes 151 kilometer. And the answer for this one is from start. Then I go through 8, 9, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, and then I go to finish. Right, so for this one, I come from start, I travel from start 8, 9, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16 checkpoints, and then I end up with the last one, which is finish. And the total route involved will be, from here 62 now becomes 64. You have additional of 2, so 149 plus 2, I end up with 151. So that is the shortest distance travel, and this is basically the check route.